But essentially, if you have something like this, right, and this doesn't work for my Tesla. I have a Tesla Model Y. This won't work at all. I can't find a way to charge it. This is the adapter. So you can see that this has the same ends, and I can plug it in there. I'm not sure what adapter this is, but I imagine there's another type of cord that goes into there. So you can see that goes on real nicely, and to get it off, all I do is lift this up. Did I get it on there? Oh, I wonder if it's because we have it plugged in. It just came off earlier, but now it won't. Oh, there we go. You just press the button and that releases. All right, so technically this is powered. We plugged it in. Yep, if you just touch there, and you can see the green light went on. And if you look inside the Tesla there, 81% battery. I charged it last night, but you can see it's getting power. Now, if I want to unplug this, it's interesting because, oh, there you go. Just hold the button, wait for the light to turn white, and pull it out.